Alright guys, coming back at you. I'm just gonna be real. This got to be the fastest damn recone I ever got, man. I gave this man his money last Thursday, and I kid you not, man, that man was shipping that motherfucker off the next day, man. I mean, that's the fastest I ever seen someone build a recone and actually send it off. And I mean, it's crazy, man. It's just crazy. So, hey, we finna get off into this, man. I'm finna show y'all what the recone look like. Like I say, man, y'all check out Cory Otis at Otis Design, man. Man, it's just unbelievable, man. I usually wait 2 to 3 weeks on a recone. It dude literally had me done in a couple of days, and I just got my recone Tuesday. And I went on sitting out for one more, so hey, let's go get into the video and check that thing out, man. Good people, man. All right, guys, we got the recone. Finally got it in, man. I went on and cut that open real quick. He definitely put some boxes in here. We got a box on top of a box here, man. All right, here's the recone. It's just a drop-in recone. Hey, man, this thing a little beefy. Look at that coil. And this right here is a Cory Otis recone. Well, it's just a drop-in recone. Built by Cory Otis here, man. And like I say, this is one of them. I actually got another one that should be here today, hopefully. But I cannot lie, man. I mean, this is nice. Definitely look better than my last recone that I had. I'd seen a lot of reviews about his recones. Let me sit this down here. And hey, it's nice. Got a carbon fiber dust cap here. So nice little carbon fiber dust cap. I love the way carbon fiber look in the light, man. I love it. So got a nice carbon fiber dust cap. Okay. Old design sticker. I get this right here for the vehicle. Okay, this for the recone here. Old design sticker right here for the recone. And you got one for the vehicle, I guess. Nice, man. Big shout out to Cory Otis on this, man. I mean, this thing a little beefy. I can't wait to drop this thing in, man. I'm gonna probably get my buddy to do it. I mean, this cord look tight. Everything look nice, man. I mean, look, oh man. A lot of people don't like to put the leads on the recone when you buy a kit like this. They don't know if like to really put the leads right here on, but he did. So he nice, man. Like I say, y'all need a recone. Big shout out to Cory Otis on this, man. You can't beat the prices. Like I say, you can't beat the turnaround time, man. Literally, man. I ordered this thing I paid him Thursday for it. It was shipped out Saturday. Saturday morning it was shipped out. This right here came it was shipped out Saturday, it came Tuesday. So I just ordered one last Thursday and it should be here today. Like I say, man, y'all give him a shout out, man. Otis Designs, man, hit him up. Like I say, man, you need recone for anything, man. I think he also make his own custom speakers. So y'all make sure y'all hit him up if you need any repair done for your subs, or you just want to buy some subs. I mean, hey, man, it's a good guy though, man. So yay, that is the go-to guy for me right now, because I have seen YouTube videos on him. A lot of my basshead buddies talk about him and say that, hey, his recone speak for itself. So y'all check out Cory Otis at Otis Designs. You can find him on Facebook. Man, cool, laid back guy. I cannot make this up, man. And very dependable and just about the fastest recone service I know. So hey, like I say, thanks for watching. Y'all like, subscribe, stay tuned, man. We're gonna go and drop these things in, and we also got to get the new box in. Everything that was in the back is out. I'm gonna probably do a short little glimpse video of that. If not, then oh well. But like I say, man, shout out to Cory Otis, man. I cannot make this up, man. I'm loving this surround. It way thicker than what my other surround was. I'm loving it. I mean, this surround, it's nice. It's nice, man. Y'all just don't understand, man. Y'all just don't. Yeah, y'all don't understand, man. This nice surround. My last surround was so thin, man. This one here got a little beefy to it. I think we're gonna do good with this one, y'all. Look at that. Whew. Like I say, man, Otis Designs, hit them up. Hit them up, man. For all your recone needs, man. Alright. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. Like I say, just a little quick review of Otis Design. I mean, his whole recone kit, man. I mean, it's immaculate. It's immaculate. And like I said, a lot of people already speak highly of him, so there's no doubt about it that, I mean, that me myself just gonna say it's gonna be better than my last recone. I mean, it's hands down self-explanatory. So, like I say, y'all need a recone, something like that, y'all reach out to Otis Design. Right now I'm currently heading in, man, so man, I gotta get that money, man. Gotta get it. But no lie, like I say, man, y'all reach out to him. I appreciate all my supporters. I really do. I appreciate that. And another thing, man, you know, on my little outros that I be making, you know, them actually companies, you know, actually like companies, like small time little companies that trying to actually, you know, make it big. So, you know, I support everybody, man, just not myself. I support everybody. Oh yeah, winter season coming up. Don't forget to check out Base At It, man. Base At It got their own, you know, little winter clothes going on right now. I'm gonna drop the website of Base At It on winter clothes. I also have mine coming as well. You know, just support the channel, you know, and like I say, man, I really do appreciate it. I mean, y'all check out the outro, and you know, the companies that actually listed, Jed Custom, you know, that's right there, my go-to guy for my speaker boxes, designs, and all of that. Good guy, always been. The Audio Playground, you know, I always tell you need a battery or anything of that nature, hit them up, tell them Smooth sent you discount, just like that. I mean, Audio Playground, baby. You know, then you got Creative Wilts, that my partner BB. A lot of people don't know BB, but a lot of people who've been on the channel for a minute kind of, you know what BB does. BB is the one that painted my Tahoe. And I must say, hands down to BB, man. BB always do good work. I mean, music by Chris Parker. You can look him up on YouTube, on Apple, just about somewhere everywhere, man. On Chris Parker, man. I mean, that's right there. That fam. I can't lie. That fam. That big hood. Love fam there, man. Fam always been going in. He, you know, he a hell of a rapper. But I can damn sure tell you that motherfucker was sing. He can sing his ass off. I can't lie. He can sing now. I remember when he used to be in the church choir. That was a singing motherfucker. I can't lie to you. He can sing now. I can't make this up, man. And also, man, you got my girlfriend brother clothing line also that posted up there. So, you know, you'll see it with the little money bag, you know, all that going on, man. He got a legit clothing line, man. Love it, man. I actually got me a shirt from him. I'm gonna actually start wearing it in my videos so I can support him a little more. So like I say, y'all reach out to him, man. Like I say, man, any small business, I don't care what it is, man. I support you, man. Don't give up on your dreams and keep this shit flowing. Let's get it, man. Like I say, Smooth Creation, we out of here, man. I gotta go make some lumber. Alright?
Jesus made believers out of everyone that said I wouldn't achieve it. They won't believe it until they see it. Yeah. If they ain't giving you the same energy, cut the power off. Cut them off. You can be full-time with a person, they taking hours off. If they acting like they built off without you, make them stand on it. Make them build by I'm ignoring all cap, but it's up there, you put your hands on me. No cap. Looking in the rear view at my past, a lot of regrets there. It's a lot of I ain't trying to kick it with you, like homie, if it ain't a chick there. It's great. I don't need friends, I got family, they gon' step for me. They gon' ride the main ones say they proud of me, coming up they slept on me.